What season is best to propagate plants? Every location have different growing season, so the best answer I can give you is on growing season. So when your plant is hibernated or they're not growing actively, you cannot propagate them successfully. So when they are growing actively, that's the time you propagate them. In United States and some parts of Europe, there are winter seasons, cold seasons. There is a workaround when you use grow lights. So when you use grow lights and you see that your plants are actively growing, then you can still propagate them. For tropical countries, you can propagate them all year round. As long as you check your plants, they are actively growing, then it's great to propagate them.